As long as kaya mong isabay yung school, isabay mo.
Sabay mo.
Yun lang yun. Kung gusto mo i-pursue yung passion mo, kaya mo naman isabay yung school, go. Pero kung at times na siguro maka-compromise ang isa, well, you have to weigh your choices na talaga. Pero as much as possible kung kaya, gawin mo.
Ako, para sa akin, depende din yan sa situation ng tao. Lalo na kung kunwari, kung may pera naman kayo, ganun, edi pursue mo yung passion.
Yun na nga yung safety net mo, may pera kayo.
Oo, di ba? May safety net ka na eh.
Okay na yung
gawin
pamilya mo.
Ano yung gusto mo. Kaya yun lang din yung mga parang advantage kapag nanggaling ka sa ganung family. Pero para sa akin naman, importante talaga yung ano, yung diploma.
Tsaka dagdag ko lang din, sabi mo nga, depende sa situation nyo kasi. The ability to choose if you want to choose your passion or just this job that you're not really passionate about, you need to have the means to be able to choose eh.
Oo, totoo.
Kasi kung ikaw wala ka naman talaga, wala kang karapatang pumili.
Ngayon dahil pinag-uusapan natin yung passion. Okay. So sa isang movie ni Catherine Bernardo, may line na hindi tayo mapapakain ng passion.
Hindi ka mapapakain ng passion na yan!
Hindi tayo mapapakain ng passion na yan. But does your passion have to die? So,
You can shelve it, I think.
Shelve it. No, that's a nice way of putting it.
You can
Shelve it.
shelve
Wow.
But
I
when is
love
it too
love
late?
the word
When
you
is
can
it too
shelve
late,
it.
Sean, to shelve it? When is it too late?
It's never too late to shelve your passion.
It's just there eh.
Para dyan lang
You
muna.
can access it
Kasi
anytime.
Kahit yung mga,
Practical.
yung mga lola na nakikita mo sumasayaw-sayaw dyan, yung mga, kahit nga yung mga adult, nagti-TikTok. Alam mo yun, it's never too late to pursue that. Kasi yung passion naman na yun, you're doing it because you love it eh. You're doing it because you have fun.
Yeah.
So, it's never too late to pursue it. Kasi you're doing it for yourself naman eh. To feed your soul.
Ikaw, Jess.
Paano pag gusto mo mag-artista pero 60 ka na? Shinelve mo lang.
Well,
I'll give an example. Dali De Leon.
yeah, didn't she grow up in showbiz?
No, but ang tagal niya Miss Dali nakakainuman ka pa before yan. Tagal niyang ginapang yan. And then finally, she got a
Hindi
big
siya
break.
sumuko.
Hindi siya sumuko.
But what I mean is that what if hindi ka talaga artista tas parang ever
Papasok
since
ka pa
gusto
lang.
mo papasok ka pa lang.
That's
Siguro
my-
choice mo na yun.
yeah.
Choice mo na yun kung matanda ka pa, subukan mo. But
Yeah.
usually, celebrities or artista, it's too late talaga if you're old because you're certain ages
Yeah.
na hindi
pero
kaya.
sa akin lang
Siguro
din.
probability-wise,
Oo.
bumababa. But to
Oo.
say na hindi mo ma-achieve yun, wag naman tayo masyadong
Pero,
pessimistic.
kunyari, I don't wanna put words into Miss Dolly's mouth. Pero
Yeah.
I assume na it's her passion to act.
Yeah, it is.
Kaya siya tumagal ng ganun.
Yeah.
Ibang usapan kasi
iba
yung lumaki ka na,
Iba naman yung
tumagal ka
gusto
sa
mo maging
showbiz.
artista, gusto mo maging sikat na artista sa gusto mong umarte.
Tama.
Exactly.
At kung passion mong umarte, kahit 75 ka, pwede kang umarte.
Exactly.